All right, we're gonna take this filter here apart, and I've already removed a couple of the screws right here. And what it is these filters. It's the CamAir DeVilbiss QC3 air filter and dryer. It's got a little moisture indicator here on the front of it, and it's got 4 Allen screws in the top, hex head, whatever you want to call it. And it comes with a wrench, and it's got a little spot right up here, you know, to keep your wrench or whatever. And it comes with a regulator and a shutoff valve. So how I set mine up is I put the shutoff valve before the air dryer, so that way I can shut the air off and, you know, clean it out, do whatever I need to do with it. And this is the air dryer, desiccant air dryer over here, and a moisture trap. So anyways, I'm going to take out these other 2 screws, or finish taking them out right here, and I'm going to show you how I reuse this filter to save however much they are, 50, 60, 70, I don't know how much, I can't remember the replacement filters for these things, and it's worked out good with me so far doing it this way. So what you do is you drop the can. Sometimes there you'll have moisture inside of here, and it's got on the bottom a little air, you know, valve to drain the water out. So anyway, we'll set that aside. And then on the bottom of the filter down here, there's a wing nut you take off. Once you get the wing nut off, you'll take the filter, and I suggest holding it up here at the top because the filter is kind of 2 pieces, feels like. So just grab it at the top where the fans are at and just kind of rock it back and forth, and then slide it down. We'll pop off this little indicator, and as you can see, it's kind of a pinkish white color. So take that off, and it looks like the little hickey stuck in here or something, I guess, I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna take a heat gun, and I'm gonna try to heat this up a little bit to try to pull the moisture back out to get it to turn back blue again. So we'll see how this goes here. All right, it's starting to turn blue now. All right, so once I do that, I go right ahead and I put this cap back on immediately. You don't want to over tighten it, just snug her up. And that should be it. All right, we'll go put this thing here in the dryer, and we'll see how it works out. All right, next thing, kick the dryer here on. Let it play its pretty little tone. I take the cartridge, and I'll set it inside the dryer. I'll hit time dry. I'll go to 30 minutes, and then my temperature, I'll go up to high. All right, and once I do that, then I'll just hit start. We'll let it run. All right, I think that's good enough there. So when you take it out, it's gonna be warm to the, you know, to the touch. It ain't gonna be hot, but it'll just be warm. And what it does is it just pulls all the moisture there out. But I ran it through 2 times. Yeah, 2 times before. You know, the last time I had done it, but this time here I just want to double check before we start spraying again to make sure it's all good to go. So anyway, we'll put it all back together. All right, so we're just going to reverse all of our steps here. Just take it, kind of give her a little twist there. Well, you can do it without dropping everything there. See here, get this on. Well, and these are kind of a pain in the butt to get on and get started. So anyways, we'll get all these put on. All right, and as you get this thing pretty close to being, you know, tightened up all the way, you want to snug them crisscross pattern, because you don't want to It's kind of like putting a tire on a car. You want to tighten one corner, go to the other corner to make sure it seals off properly here. All right, then that's it. So now we'll just kick our air on, make sure we ain't got no leak around the seal here. All right, there we go. It's holding air, doing good. And that's how you do it. You just change it out there that way. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you hadn't already for, you know, more shop videos and airplane videos and whatnot. Thank you for watching.